Today we're talking about the if-else statement. So what is an if-else statement? An if-else statement is used to make decisions in a program. So it actually checks a condition. If the condition is true, one block of code will run. If the condition is false, another block of code will run. So we write an if-else statement like this. So you bring your if statement. So you bring your if statement, and then you put in your condition. So your condition, and then it comes with each block of code. After each block of code, you bring the else statement here, and then each block of code. So now what is happening here is, so this can be, we can say um, return true, return true, and over here we can say return false. So what is happening here is, over here we've put in a condition inside our if statement. We are saying that if this condition is true, return true. If condition is false, return false. So this if else statement, it will execute the else function if the condition is not true. So for instance, let's put in a condition. So let's say we create an integer data type. We call it name. So we call it numbers. Let's put in short now, and then we assign 42 to it, or 43. So over here we'll put our condition. We will now say if now is equal to 42 is equal to 43. Let's say 43, and then it should see out correct. So it should see out correct. But if it is not equal to 43, and then it should see out, let's say wrong. Alright, so if we run our program, you see that since the number is equal to 43, since the number is equal to 43, it will see out correct. So when we run our program, you can see that our first condition is true. You can see that our first condition is true. Therefore, it will run our program and see out correct. The reason why it see out correct is that our condition says if num1 is equal to 43, which the num1 is equal to 43. Now, let's do something. Let's say we want to see out for the user to enter. So here we'll create an integer data type called, let's say guess, and then over here we'll see out to the user and say, please guess the number. Then we'll sign in, and we'll accept the user's guess. So now we'll do our condition here. So now we'll now say if now is equal to guess. So what will happen here is, if the user gets the number, if the number is equal to 43, it will see out correct. If it is not equal to 43, it will see out wrong. So now let's run the program and see. So now if the user enters a number, so let's say the user enters 78, you see, it will see out wrong. The reason is 78 is not equal to the 43 because our num is holding 43. So we are saying if our num is equal to our guess. So meaning if the number the user gets is equal to the number that has been stored in the system already. So you can see that since the user enters 78, which is not the right number, it executed it wrong. It executed this block of code. Now let the user enter the same number. Let's see. So if the user enter 43, you can see that it is set correct. The reason is 43, this condition here is true. The condition here is true. Therefore, it executes this block of code. So this is what it actually means by the if-else statement. And also we have nested if, and all that. They all just follow this condition. And it is very advisable for you to know this if else statement. You see. So this is what we have to know about the if else statement, and I hope we meet another time. Thank you.